Hey guys, I just left Walmart. As you can see here, I don't have a trailer anymore, and the guard shack is right over there. And you can see there's ice buildup on my mirrors, but I need to find out if it's windy outside. So let's see if it's windy. Yep, I think it's windy. Our power line's been doing that. So we got ice, wind, freezing temperatures. Awesome. This is my sarcastic face. Anyway, I'm trying to drive home. Just did a video, just got it uploaded. Hopefully I get home in 2017 and not in 2018. No, but we shall see. It is 4:30 and I have 72 miles to go. Anyway, see y'all later.